how to make one-pot mac and cheese.
All right, time to make supper. We're gonna make some one-pot mac and cheese. I found the recipe online and it sounds delicious. And one pot means there's less dishes. So let's get to this.
Recipe is in the description below, with link to the original recipe as well.
Okay, so we're actually modifying the recipe just a little bit. We're gonna add some crispy bacon. Okay, I think we got the bacon all crispy. So we're gonna take the bacon out of here and put it on a tray. Get some of this grease out. Remove the grease from the pan, and then we're gonna start boiling our pasta. Okay, so we gotta combine the milk and the water and bring to a boil, and then tip in the pasta. I guess that's a new thing. So we're just using macaroni noodles, traditional ones. We've already added the water into our pot. We're gonna get that heating up. I am talking to camera, but you can converse too.
You were just walking me through it.
Well,
yes, I see what's going on. I see, yes.
Don't try and bring it to a boil too fast, as you could burn the milk.
So I guess the new slang is we tip in the pasta.
Boil the pasta until it is slightly underdone. If you use the proper amount of water and milk, you shouldn't have to drain any liquid out.
We're going to mix in the butter. We're going to mix in the evaporated milk. And we didn't bring Dijon mustard because we didn't want to bring a big jar of Dijon just for 1 tablespoon. So this is one pot mac and cheese sans Dijon. And we're supposed to slowly stir it. Okay, and then we're supposed to slowly add the cheddar cheese. So we cheated. We were in a rush and I didn't have cheese to grate at home. So we bought the shredded stuff. Oh, look at how stringy it is. Let's get more of that in there.
And at this point, you would normally add the pepper and paprika, but I unfortunately forgot.
All right, it's all done.
Oh, that's fine.
Isn't it? You can smell the cheese, you can smell the bacon. Oh boy. Tell me when, Justin.
Whenever you're done.
All right, happy eating, man.
Cheers, bud.
Cheers. That's good, especially since I forgot the pepper and paprika.
And the Dijon. You brought
But we have
noodles
pepper.
and cheese.
I have pepper and paprika here. If you want to throw it back in and mix it all together. I just forgot.
So you stopped reading the instructions.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button if you did, and subscribe if you want to see more. Leave us a comment. Let us know what you would like to see us cook in the woods. We'll catch you later.